Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make squishy made of paper, easy method. Fold a sheet into a neat pouch, add soft filler, and seal the edges tightly with glue for no leaks. Press and shape the paper gently to form a round, squeezable object that responds to pressure. Test firmness and add more filling if needed, then smooth edges and let glue dry before playing. Start by collecting simple supplies: scissors, glue, paper, and soft filler like tissue or cotton. Cut consistent rectangles for predictable folding and easy sealing, which makes shaping faster. Keep a scrap nearby for practice folds and to test glue strength so you avoid mistakes on your final piece. Working on a protected surface saves cleanup time and helps you focus on forming a smooth, squeezable shape for a pleasant tactile feel. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support these craft guides. Quick recommendation: I've been enjoying a book called The Simple Path to Wealth, which explains money clearly and gives a calm framework when you need practical tips between projects. On another note, it's a small, useful read that pairs well with creative hobbies and budgeting craft supplies. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After sealing, gently squeeze and roll the paper pouch to achieve a round, pleasing squishy shape that feels good in your hand. Apply thin coats of paint or marker, allowing each layer to dry so decoration stays flexible without cracking. If the squishy feels too firm, add a bit more filler. If too soft, compress or remove filler until it matches your preference. Finish by smoothing seams for comfort and durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.